going to make a film with a double role.
I was working as a reporter in Vancouver and I got laid off.
You get into the stagnation.
It was not respectable to be a hairdresser. This industry was extremely frowned upon.
Sometime last year, someone very close to me was diagnosed with cancer.
Manmohan Desai was a keen observer. Whatever he imbibed in real life, he translated that into real life. Right from his childhood, he was fascinated with this festival called Dahi Handi and had decided that one fine day he would use it in a film. When Bluffmaster came his way, he saw the opportunity and decided to weave it into the script. He called up his music director Kalyanji Anandji and said, "Can I come and see you right now?" They lived in the same vicinity. He said, "Come anytime." He rushed and he told them, he said, "See Kalyanji bhai, I have a situation where the hero breaks the matki, but I don't want to make it flat. I want to do it with a song. If you give me a good song, I think I could make a great item out of it." Kalyanji Anandji looked at him and said, "Manmohan bhai, we've been waiting for this opportunity. We've always wondered if a director came and told us to do something like this. We would be thrilled. We'll give you an iconic song which will be remembered for a lifetime." And they did that. 2 days later, Manmohan Desai gets a call from Kalyanji bhai, the music director. He was so excited on the phone. He said, "Manmohan, come now. I have composed a song exactly what you want. Hear it. You won't need an alternate." Manmohan Desai was charged. He rushed to his music room. Mind you, here I must tell you, Manmohan Desai had a great sense of music, which was evident in all the songs he selected in Chaliya. When he heard the song Kalyanji bhai had made, he was blown away. He said, "Kalyanji bhai, you have given me gold." From there, he rushed to Shammiji's house and he said, "Shammi, I want you to hear the song that we are going to picturize. I promise you, you'll freak out." Shammiji, being a J. Kishan loyalist, went to Kalyanji Anandji's music room and heard the song. Shammiji was stunned. He said, "Manmohan, there can be no other song, there can be no better song than this one for the situation that you have created. Let's record it."
गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला अरे एक दो और तीन चार संग 5 6 7 हैं ग्वाला.
After the recording of the song, Shammiji took a copy of the tape and went home. As I believe, he heard it several times and he called up my father. He never called him Manmohan, he called him Moni. So he said, "Moni, I am so charged up. I can see myself doing this song. How do you think you're going to picturize it?" The next day my father met him and he told him, he said, "Shammi, I am going to do this song in actual surroundings. Just a few lanes away from my home, I am going to picturize this song. But don't worry, I'll use your double, as we call a duplicate or a stand-in. I'll do the entire song with him, and the same set I will put up in the studio and I will take your close work. So people will think that you've actually done the song. Shammi ji was stunned. He said, Manmohan, as in Moni, I am known for my songs, for my dances, for my flamboyance. Do you think I'll allow a duplicate to do this song? You must be crazy. I am going to do this song myself. My father put his foot down and said, Shammi, I cannot risk it with you. It's very dangerous. There are 5 tiers, 6 or 7. If you fall, your family is not going to forgive me. To which he told him, he says, Manmohan, I am the master of my own self. Nobody owns me. I promise you I will not allow you to do this song without me. Manmohan Desai tried to dissuade him several times. But Shammi Kapoor, being Shammi Kapoor, held his ground. He said, Moni, this song is going to be done by me. Every shot, every frame. Otherwise, I will not allow you to do this song. My father relented. He said, but Moni, I have one condition. I will come to the sets after consuming a bottle of whiskey. I know you don't like actors drinking on your set, but see my point of view. All the people who form the pyramid, all those who are going to be involved, come fully drunk so they don't feel the pain when they come crashing down. My father said, no problem, I'm on. People got to know in that locality and other localities that Shammi Kapoor is coming onto the streets to perform the Dahi Handi. Oh my God, as my father told me, the crowds uncontrollable. There were people from other localities on the roof, on the streets, in balconies. You could only see people and the Dahi Handi tight. Shammi ji arrived and in his true style started doing the song. He went up several times. Most of the time they came crashing down. He tried it once, twice, thrice, 4 times. It was really high up, difficult to reach. Finally, Shammi ji gathered the people around and said, this is the final time I'm going to do it and I am going to get it right. So please remain steady. I'm doing it. He started climbing up each tier, and believe it, people make it very difficult. They started throwing buckets of water and water balloons, which when they hit you, it's like a rock hitting your face. They make it so difficult for the person to break the handi. But in that last take, Shammi ji reached the top, caught the handi and broke it on his head. He was cut completely from here, but he didn't feel a thing. Finally, he started climbing down and everybody has always crashed down. He didn't feel the pain. The whole unit hugged him and congratulated him, and the people were aghast. Seeing was believing. What more do I say? See the rest on screen.
The song, composed 57 years ago, is still a favorite of local bands and functions. Govinda Alare is not just a cult song, but a staple etched in the rituals of Janmashtami, almost like a part of the ancient tradition of Lord Krishna's birth and Dahi Handi. Pooja Desai. Thank you for watching Webali TV. We are deeply indebted for your support. We have been listening to your comments and suggestions and are working to tweak our format to suit the feedback we have received from you. So please keep watching and telling us what you think and what you want. We are also returning with some new episodes of our older shows. So stay tuned and keep watching Webali TV.
We would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions you may have. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Webali TV. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Mrs. Always Right Cooks, and this is Pooja Desai.